That is quite a title.
Yeah. You ready?
Sure.
Welcome back to Definitely Not Definitive. I'm Ken.
And I'm Bethany.
We're just a couple of wild and crazy kids in love that love some Wild Card Wednesdays.
It's Wild Card Wednesday!
And for this Wild Card Wednesday, we're checking out Lollipop Chainsaw Trailers. So it's a wild game. And wanted to check this out for a while, and so it seems crazy and kooky.
Yes. I don't really know what else to say. I'm very intrigued by the title.
Exactly. I was intrigued by the title as well. So we're gonna go check out those trailers out.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, that's a good turn.
Yep. Meet Juliet.
A cheerleader.
Okay.
She a zombie.
No, she kills zombies. Yeah. Is it bedazzled?
Oh my god.
James Gunn?
Does it fire like a shotgun too?
Yeah. Follows the Ruby thing of it. It's also a gun.
Eat it. Bring it, fat ass.
Awesome.
I like what they did with the eye there.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh, nice.
Okay.
That was well done.
You know how some girls have vampires for boyfriends? I got a decapitated head for a boyfriend. How totally awesome is that? His name's Nick. He wasn't always just a head. He used to have a super hot bod. But then a zombie bit him.
Listen, I wanted you to know, I kind of sort of, I fucking love you.
So, I had to do a little emergency surgery. I love you too, baby.
Juliet, what the fuck? Where's my fucking body?
If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
Out of it because I love him so much.
Whoa, sexy.
He's super smart and funny, and he's not a perv like most guys. Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
But first, me and Nick are gonna get majorly aggro on these zombie douchebags.
Kill them all!
Yeah.
Yes! And up you go, baby. Awesome!
Nick shoots! Whoever said diamonds are a girl's best friend obviously never met my totally awesome sisters. I mean, do you know any diamonds who are smoking hot sharpshooter zombie hunters like my big sister Cordelia? Right now I'm gonna go
Sweet.
kick some zombie ass! What? That's just my boyfriend Nick.
The whole no body thing is cool.
Thanks. And then there's my baby sister Rosalind. She's like way more entertaining than any diamond ring. Plus, she totally
Favorite weapon,
knows
something
something
destructive.
Hey, Julia!
Pastimes terrorizing pedestrians.
Wallace is blessed. My sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. Yeah, suck on this, zombie! Wait, it's your boyfriend! He's a decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever!
Hi, I'm Ken, an executive here at Lollipop Chainsaw. As a special thanks to our loyal and enthusiastic fans, we have a new special edition version of the game available for pre-order. Here we have Rick, Steve, and Bill, 3 of the biggest LC fans around. And to show our gratitude, we're gonna let you take home an advance copy here today.
Yes!
Now guys, what is it you like best about Lollipop Chainsaw?
Dude, Juliet is smoking. Any game where you can decapitate zombies with the freaking chainsaw? Dude, I'm totally there.
We do what we can.
I'm with Rick. Juliet is a hottie manicotti.
Yeah.
Bill, you are absolutely right. Juliet is indeed a hottie manicotti. And because we feel so strongly about her, we've decided to include her in the special edition.
Are you effing serious? I am so gonna pwn that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's the newest advancement in gaming technology. Thanks to Lollipop Chainsaw's engineering division, you can control her every move with this joystick, like a real-life video game. Have at it.
What can she do?
Oh, anything and everything you want.
Whoa. Like, I can steal my sister's makeup, and Juliet can play with my and then she'll spread Dijon mustard all over our
What
so it gets too
the hell?
spicy. And then I can rent a steam cleaner and stains while she does wild and nasty things with an old $5 while eating from a bowl and playing with my and my pet monkey
Chop his head off.
Bobo just before I reward her. What's up, right? Ken, what's up?
Indeed, you can do whatever you like.
Let me try.
Dude, you put her in Japanese mode! Give it to her! Give it to me! Dude,
Guys, please, you're all gonna get a turn. Now, we don't have a price point set today, but as soon as we do, we'll offer you years and years of fun.
Sayonara, minasan.
Thank you, Juliet.
that
Can we clean this up, please?
Pre-order your
got some clever marketing for this one.
Yeah.
Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. Not that I have a problem with funny stuff, especially if you really like the person. My name is Juliet, and it is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. So I get to
Cumpleaños.
school, only everyone's a zombie. And on my birthday, too.
There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn.
Now we get to the part where I kick his ass.
She's brutal. She's merciless.
Oh.
She's deadly.
Ooh.
When the zombie apocalypse
Oh.
One truth becomes.
begins, show no mercy.
I'm gonna F you up.
I'm a mother freaking zombie.
Your turn, you whiny MySpace hair jerk.
I like that.
Bring it on, douchebag.
To the depths of hell!
Oh. That's pretty cool.
What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
How do you know that?
Oh.
All right, so that was crazy and kooky, just like I said.
It was so deliciously absurd.
Yes.
I actually want to play it now because it's ridiculous. But exactly the right kind of ridiculous.
Yeah, exactly. Not taking itself too seriously, knowing exactly what it is, and leaning into it, and just being, completely over the top, but like not like over the top in an obnoxious way, because sometimes like over the top can be obnoxious sometimes. But like I thought, it was in a very fun and silly way.
It's just bonkers.
Yeah. So this might be a game that we play on the channel later. Or because it seems like a fun game to play. Like at first I thought maybe we would watch the cutscenes for this one, but like it seems like just a fun game to play. I kind of want to play through it.
Yeah.
You'll have to let us know if you played this before down below in the comments, and suggestions for more stuff to check out, either from Lollipop Chainsaw or other games like this, fun, silly games that you think we might like checking out. Drop that down in the comments, and thanks so much for checking out our reaction for this Wildcard Wednesday for Lollipop Chainsaw Trailers, but just keep in mind
that our reaction is definitely not definitive.